if we can set up things in-house and we can utilise facilities like the AMRF and get those processes happening in Australia, we're far better off. I'm Cheryl from ChezLeon. I'm the founder and the CEO.
ChezLeon designs and manufactures therapeutic bandages that assist cancer patients by stimulating the lymphatic system. It helps recovery time.
ChezLeon was born from a need, my need, because I'd been through cancer treatment and had all my lymph nodes removed in both groins. So what you have to do is keep the fluid moving to prevent it from building up. I tried all the current treatments. Unfortunately, they didn't really work for me. I found the solution for myself, ended up making them a handmade product at home. I just couldn't maintain the consistency throughout the whole manufacturing process. More and more people kept coming to me, so it was like, okay, I need to go to the next step.
Cheryl was experiencing large rejection rates during her manufacturing process, and so came to us at the AMRF to help solve that problem.
After I exhausted my avenues for manufacturing in Australia, I ended up with a referral to speak to David Fox. Then it was like that door opened up that then I could go, okay, we can actually do this ourselves.
We kind of tried to understand her story and where she's in that development cycle. So to take all these, the past history, the past problems, all their requirements, get up to speed and then kind of start delivering solutions which are attainable for them.
Working with the AMRF, it's been really easy. They have different areas of knowledge that they can bring together to help create the end result.
I think every single project we've worked on, although we have our own kind of skill sets, there's so many different skills within AMRF. Typically the problems and projects we've encountered are all unique and different. Early on we actually had all the engineers come together and look at it. So you had your metrology, your composites, your machining, as well as your additive engineers to see kind of what solutions they could potentially bring to the table. By the end, we basically were able to solve the challenge from mainly a design team at the moment.
Our first step was to look at their existing process. Then we were just going through all of these different parameters with different values and just optimizing over time. We handed out that manufacturing process document to them so that they can easily replicate the process that we have developed.
Niraj and James from our design and applications team worked with Cheryl to identify the critical issues she was facing. Part of that included implementing a press to maintain consistent output production.
I couldn't control the temperatures, I couldn't control, really the output in the end. But then after the press, no problem. No inconsistencies, less product waste, less time consuming, just so much easier. One of the great things about this facility is that we have it here in Australia. It's accessible, it's ready to go. Opening up places like this is going to open up those opportunities so that we can actually bring manufacturing back here to Australia.
If you've got a problem, reach out, give us a call, send us an email, or even turn up here in person. We'll be more than happy to talk to you. Myself and the team are here to understand your problems and see what solutions the AMRF team can come up with.